Through all these years of making music, learning, and teaching, I've had a strong inclination to develop the strongest and deepest connection between my inner ear, and what I play.
My compositional process that is communal as opposed to being individual. So I'm much more interested in listening to what the musicians of the ensemble have to say through their music.
History proves that there is great potential for innovation during times of change. It has happened time and time again.
I have been fascinated by music for as long as I can remember and have dedicated my life to appreciating sound from as many angles as possible.
Things are bound to happen in multiple ways. Improvisation embraces the idea of plurality, that there is not only one way of knowing something, but there are multiple ways of knowing things.
It's really important, I think, for us to equip our students with something powerful. So as they find their purpose through the music or in other areas, they will know how to be successful with a creative, entrepreneurial mind.
I think everyone has a story, and it doesn't have to be a tragic story like mine. It can be a story about anything. It can be a feeling or an emotion about something. But I think when people can connect with themselves and sort of do some work, then it sets them up to write compelling music.